Carbide burrs are essential tools in the world of metalworking, woodworking, and fabrication, prized for their durability and versatility. Made from tungsten carbide, a material far harder than most metals, these rotary cutting tools are designed to tackle a wide array of shaping, deburring, and surface finishing tasks. Their effectiveness lies not only in the material they're made from, but also in the variety of shapes and cut patterns available, each tailored for specific applications. Understanding the different types of carbide burrs and their uses is key to achieving precision and efficiency in any project. Cylindrical burrs are perhaps the most straightforward in design, resembling a short, thick rod. Their primary function is flat surface grinding, contouring, and creating straight edges. When you need to remove material evenly from a flat steel plate or smooth out weld seams, the cylindrical burr is your go-to tool. Its flat end allows you to work up against surfaces and maintain even contact, making it ideal for tasks that require a uniform finish and straight lines. Ball burrs, as the name suggests, feature a perfectly rounded end, making them ideal for creating concave surfaces, hollowing out areas, or rounding off edges. If you're sculpting a bowl shape in wood or need to carve out a smooth, rounded groove in metal, the ball burr excels in providing control and precision. It's especially useful in detailed work, where gentle curves and hollows are required, allowing artisans and fabricators to bring organic shapes to life with accuracy. Tree burrs are tapered, coming to either a pointed or rounded tip, and are designed for working in tight spaces, shaping curves, or cutting narrow channels. Their slender profile allows them to reach into confined areas where other burrs might struggle. For example, when detailing intricate metal castings or refining the inside edges of small holes, the tree burr can maneuver with ease, ensuring that even the most complex components are properly finished. Cone burrs are characterized by their conical shape, tapering to a fine point. This design is particularly useful for chamfering and beveling edges, as well as accessing hard-to-reach areas that require precision. When deburring the inside edge of a pipe or preparing a hole for threading, cone burrs provide the sharpness and control needed for clean, accurate results. Their ability to create angled cuts also makes them indispensable in applications where smooth transitions between surfaces are critical. Flame burrs offer a unique shape that tapers to a rounded point, resembling the flame of a candle. This form is perfect for sculpting or shaping with smooth, flowing curves, making them a favorite among artists and craftsmen working with wood or metal. Whether you're carving organic shapes, refining decorative features, or blending contours, the flame burr allows for a fluid movement and fine finishing, bridging the gap between rough shaping and detailed work. Oval burrs, with their elongated, egg-like profile, are designed for creating rounded slots or smoothing curved surfaces. They excel at finishing weld joints, especially those that are curved or irregular, ensuring a smooth, blended appearance. The oval shape provides a larger surface contact area, making it easier to polish and refine without creating sharp edges or gouges. In addition to these shapes, carbide burrs come in various cut patterns, such as single cut, double cut, and diamond cut, each influencing how material is removed and the finish achieved. Choosing the right combination of shape and cut is crucial for optimal performance, whether you're deburring, shaping, engraving, or polishing. Ultimately, the diversity of carbide burr shapes and their specific uses empower tradespeople, machinists, and artists to work with confidence and precision. By selecting the appropriate burr for the task at hand, you can achieve cleaner finishes, greater efficiency, and superior results in every project.